7 simple SEO tips to grow your website traffic. Are you struggling to get people to visit your website? You may have a great website, valuable content, and useful products, but none of that matters if people can't find you. Today I'm sharing 7 simple SEO and website growth strategies that can help you attract more visitors and build a stronger online presence. This video is brought to you by your digital consultants. If you'd like to support the channel while improving your website, check out our SEO and website growth bundle using the link in the description below. It includes helpful resources designed to make planning and growing your website easier. You can also support the channel by liking this video, subscribing, leaving a comment, and sharing it with someone who is working on a website. Now let's get started. The first step is understanding your target audience. Before creating content, ask yourself, what is my audience searching for? What problems do they need help solving? What words would they type into Google? Your website shouldn't focus only on what you want to say. It should also answer the questions your audience is already asking. When you understand their problems, it becomes easier to create content they actually want to read. Tip number 2 is choosing the right keywords. Keywords are the words and phrases people enter into search engines. Instead of targeting a broad phrase like marketing, try something more specific, such as email marketing tips for small businesses. Specific phrases may receive fewer searches, but they can attract people who are more interested in your exact topic. Choose one primary keyword for each page and include it naturally in the title, headings, page address, and content. Avoid repeating it so often that the writing sounds unnatural. Tip 3. Create helpful content. 1:30-2. Tip number 3 is creating genuinely helpful content. Search engines want to show people information that answers their questions. Create blog posts, guides, checklists, tutorials, and frequently asked questions based on the problems your audience faces. Don't create content just to fill your website. Every page should have a clear purpose and provide something useful. Helpful content also gives visitors a reason to trust your business and return to your website. Tip number 4 is improving your page titles and descriptions. Your title should clearly explain what the page is about and give people a reason to click. For example, instead of using the title, Website Tips, you could use 10 simple website tips to help small businesses get more customers. Your description should briefly explain what visitors will learn or receive from the page. Clear titles can help both search engines and potential visitors understand your content. Tip number 5 is making sure your website works properly on mobile devices. Many people will discover your website using a phone. Check that your text is easy to read, buttons are easy to tap, images fit the screen, and your menus are simple to use. A website that is difficult to navigate may cause visitors to leave before they see your content or offers. Tip number 6 is improving your website speed. Large images, unnecessary plugins, and complicated page designs can slow down a website. Compress your images, remove tools you aren't using, and keep your page design clean. Test important pages yourself. If they take too long to load, visitors may click away. A faster website creates a better experience and makes it easier for people to explore your content. Tip number 7 is tracking your results. SEO growth usually takes time, so don't expect every change to produce immediate traffic. Pay attention to which pages receive visitors, which search terms bring people to your website, and which pages lead to sales or email signups. Use that information to improve existing pages and decide what content to create next. Focus on steady progress instead of chasing overnight results. To recap, understand your audience. Choose specific keywords. Create helpful content. Write stronger titles and descriptions. Make your website mobile friendly. Improve its speed and track your results. You don't have to change everything today. Choose one of these tips and start there. If you want additional help planning your SEO strategy and growing your website, check out the SEO and Website Growth Bundle from your digital consultants. You'll find the link in the description below. Purchasing the bundle is a great way to support the channel while receiving useful tools for your own website or business. You can also support us for free by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, sharing the video, and telling us in the comments which SEO tip you plan to try first. Thank you for watching your digital consultants, and we'll see you in the next video.